By the end of the video, we will know about how to effectively work out at home with minimal equipment and maximum results. Creating a home gym workout routine is a fantastic way to stay fit without the need for a gym membership. Whether you're aiming to build muscle, lose fat, or just stay active, this guide will help you set up a comprehensive workout plan right in the comfort of your own home. Setting up your home gym. First, let's discuss the essentials you need to create an effective home gym. You don't need fancy or expensive equipment. A few key items can make all the difference. Dumbbells, versatile and essential for strength training. Resistance bands, great for adding extra resistance to your workouts. Yoga mat, provides comfort for floor exercises. Pull-up bar, perfect for upper body strength. Warm-up routine, start every workout with a warm-up to prepare your muscles and prevent injury. Here's a simple warm-up routine. Jumping jacks, 2 minutes to get your heart rate up. Dynamic stretches, focus on major muscle groups like hamstrings, quads, and shoulders. Arm circles, 1 minute to loosen up the shoulders. Full body workout plan Monday. Upper body, push-ups, 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps dumbbell rows. 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps shoulder press. 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps bicep curls. 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps Wednesday. Lower body, squats, 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps lunges. 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps per leg glute bridges. 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps calf raises. 3 sets of 20 to 25 reps Friday. Full body, burpees, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps plank. Hold for 1 minute. 3 times mountain climbers. 3 sets of 20 reps Russian twists. 3 sets of 20 reps. Cool down and stretching. Finish your workout with a cool down to help your muscles recover. Static stretching. Hold each stretch for 30 seconds. Foam rolling. Focus on sore areas to alleviate muscle tension. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. Supplement tips. 1-second lesson. Maximize gains with Dymatize ISO 100 and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey. Gluten-free, high-protein blends for muscle growth. Links in the description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue a video's main topic. Staying motivated. Staying consistent with your home workouts can be challenging. Here are some tips to keep you motivated. Set clear goals. Know what you want to achieve and track your progress. Create a schedule. Plan your workouts ahead of time and stick to them. Stay accountable. Find a workout buddy or join online fitness communities. Conclusion. By the end of this video, you now have a solid plan for working out at home. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to your routine. Keep pushing yourself, and you will see results. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fitness tips and workout plans. Happy training!